Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Expedition 2018 to 2021? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2018 and 2019 Ford Expedition controls key interior electrical components such as power windows, audio system, and interior lighting. It includes fuses and relays for convenience features like the power seats and climate control. The layout is organized for easy identification and maintenance. It also supports diagnostics through labeled circuits for quick troubleshooting. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2020 and 2021 Ford Expedition manages a wide range of interior systems, including power windows, door locks, audio components, and climate control modules. It supports advanced features such as the sync system, wireless charging, and automated park assist. The fuse layout is clearly labeled, facilitating efficient diagnostics and maintenance. Additionally, it accommodates modern driver assistance technologies like terrain management and heated steering. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 and 2019 Ford Expedition supports major powertrain and safety systems, including the engine control module, ABS, and cooling fan. It also manages high current components like the fuel pump and starter motor. The fuse box is designed for durability under high temperatures and moisture. Each fuse and relay is labeled for straightforward troubleshooting and service. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2020 and 2021 Ford Expedition manages high current circuits for essential systems such as the engine control module, ABS, and powertrain components. It also supports features like the inverter, trailer tow modules, and multiple power points. The fuse layout is clearly labeled, facilitating efficient diagnostics and maintenance. Additionally, it accommodates modern driver assistance technologies like terrain management and heated steering. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.